The 2026 BMW X7 arrives as the crown jewel of BMW's SUV lineup, blending imposing road presence, advanced luxury, and powerful performance into a package designed for those who expect refinement without compromise. As the brand's flagship SUV, the 2026 X7 represents both a continuation of BMW's commitment to cutting-edge engineering and a bold evolution of its design language. The 2026 BMW X7 retains the commanding proportions that have defined it since launch, but with updated styling cues that make it both sharper and more sophisticated. The headlights adopt BMW's latest split-light configuration, with ultra-slim LED daytime running lights positioned above the main projectors, creating a more focused and futuristic look. Adaptive laser light technology is standard on higher trims, offering precise illumination that can selectively block glare from oncoming traffic. At the rear, the 2026 X7 receives redesigned 3D LED taillights that extend into the tailgate, paired with a sleeker chrome bar that visually widens the vehicle. The lower bumper incorporates aerodynamic diffusers, while exhaust outlets, on combustion and hybrid variants, are now more subtly integrated for a cleaner, upscale appearance. BMW ensures the 2026 X7 isn't just about luxury, it's still a performance-oriented SUV at heart. The model range includes multiple powertrains, all paired with an 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission and xDrive all-wheel drive. X7 xDrive 40i, a refined 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six with mild hybrid technology, delivering around 385 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque. The mild hybrid system uses a 48-volt starter generator for smoother stop-start operation and added torque assist during acceleration. X7 xDrive 50i/M60i, a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 co-developed with BMW M, featuring advanced thermal management and mild hybrid assistance, producing approximately 530 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. This variant rockets the X7 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.5 seconds. X7 xDrive 50e plug-in hybrid, new for 2026, this variant pairs the inline-six with a more powerful electric motor, offering around 480 combined horsepower and an estimated 50-plus miles of pure electric range on a larger battery pack. It's aimed at those seeking both performance and low-emission commuting capability. The 2026 BMW X7 is more than just a large luxury SUV, it's a statement of engineering prowess and modern sophistication. By harmonizing imposing design, lavish comfort, intelligent technology, and engaging performance, BMW has created a vehicle that caters to both the driver and the passengers in equal measure.